Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-Boy tutorial. And today I will teach you guys something that less likely people talk about or show it to you, which is the hand placement or hand movement when doing a top rock. There are a few kind of examples, so I will show you guys one by one. But before I start, like always, do remember to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, so now without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. The very first one I will show you is the close and open arms. Usually we're adding this type of movement with a front to the side step. Okay, so this is a front to the side step. Okay, now we're gonna add in the close and open arms. Here we go. Open, open. Okay, very simple. So when for me, my left leg hit to the front, both my arms or my hands go to the front. Okay, so it's closing. All right, now when we go to the next step, which is my right leg stepping to the side, that is where my arms open up. Cool. Now repeat the same thing again. Close, open, close, open. All right, so here we go. We do it in 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next one is the style where you're gonna put your hand on your head. Okay, I'm sure you guys have seen this before. So the best thing that I like about this movement is you can put in or combine it with a lot of top rocks. So we're gonna try with the front to the side step, and then we're gonna mix up with the medial step. Here we go. Kick, side. All right. Kick, side. Kick, side. Move on to the linear step. Kick, 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 kick. Now, when I incorporate this move into the Indian step, you can see that if I'm swinging with my right leg, or my right leg is the leading leg, I always end the pose with my left hand on my head. Okay. This is kind of preference, but I think that it's better you do that because it looks much better to do the pose like this. If you're using your right hand with your right leg is the leading leg, you can do this also, but to me I think that the style or the dynamic is much better if you use your left hand. If you are using your right leg is the leading leg, and vice versa. If you're using your left leg is the leading leg, then you're using your right hand pose. Again, 8 count with this move. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third one, I call this chill. We call this chills because you're gonna put both hands on your back like this. Okay, and then usually when you're using this kind of movement, if after your opponent finish their round, you can walk to the side, you know, like intimidate them, going back to the circle and do your thing. You know, I think this is a very good way to open up your round. Okay, and the way you're doing this, I'm gonna show you guys one example, which is the side to side step. Okay, so put both hands on the ground, both hands on the back, and I'm gonna kick side to side. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna move to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna apply the 8 counts. I'm gonna mix and match. Move to the front, move to the back, stay in the middle. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, I call this the rolling. So you're gonna move your hand like this while you're doing a top rock. It's pretty cool. I'll show you a few examples with any top rock. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last one, I'm gonna combine 2 movements together. The first one is the clap, and the second one is the here. these two are my favorite because we can engage with the audience with this movement. Okay, you can do the normal Toprock, like usual any Toprock. You can clap, clap, ask the audience to clap with you, and if you're not feeling them, you can do this and ask them to clap again, you know, or louder, clap louder or scream louder. For the here movement, you can see I can do this or I can do this. Okay, whichever you preference or whichever you like, you can do both. Cool. So now let's combine this with some Toprock. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Since we are done with all the movement, now it's time to add in with the music. That's it for the hand placement tutorial. Add this into your Toprock and trust me, your Toprock will go to another level. Trust me on that. Alright? So like always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer all of you guys. Alright, that's about it. I will see you guys next time.